Hello, this is Francois Menard, founder and CEO of Polar Technologies, and today we're showing you our HeliPass, which is an RFID that attaches to network cables or any other cable with different versions of our HeliPass, and it contains digital product passport information, as well as a whole bunch of other information like you would not be able to necessarily put on a P-Touch because you would run out of space. So the way it works as a DPP is as follows. So the phone has a built-in NFC reader, and as you bring it next to the tag, it pops a default URL, which brings it straight to the DPP page, which contains more information. So let's look at it more closely. All right. The video carries on. The phone has been connected to the computer, and we can see that the DPP page has been open. We can see the serial number and the install date and the HeliPass model and the kind of cables it can attach to. It could contain a whole bunch of circularity information, such as where to recycle it. And there is that important link at the bottom of the page, which opens our TapDPP.App, which has been installed already on the phone. And this app is wonderful because it has all of the highly customizable web development framework, and the NFC interaction functions are hidden behind buttons that are right on the web page. So if we hit Read HeliPass, it triggers the read function of the iPhone, and when we bring the phone next to it, like that, it takes the data that is inside the NFC memory and pushes it right on the web page fields, which would mean that you'd be able to do anything you want with it in your own web development. But it also importantly allows to add additional key value pairs, such as in this case we have one key value pair, which is the installer name and my name, but we could say the location, and we could write Canada, and then write that information to the tag. Again, in this manner, it says it's successfully written, and when we read it again, now we see that the data has been pushed right on the web page. So now we have two key value pairs, and we would be able to make some cleanup of information that is not required, such as the installer name. So we can then delete it, and we write it again. And upon reading it again, you'll see that there's only one key value pair. And this can be confirmed by going outside of TapDPP.App and go look at it in NFC Tools. And then we can see that in NFC Tools, there is one record, which is the deep link URL, and a second record, which is the key value pair for the install location, and the installer name has been removed successfully. So this application is highly customizable because it's all web development, which makes it super easy to add additional fields or links to internal databases without having to engage into writing any mobile development application development. So this really cuts down on the cost of development, and you can think of automating procedures for manipulating cables, like for instance somebody in the field will be able to confirm that he's disconnecting the right cable and confirming that he has the right cable in his hands. The application is allowing for a web development framework at the speed of coding web pages, and we can dress up cable manipulation procedures easily and encode those procedures in forms that installers can use in your telecom networks or electrical networks or industrial settings. The application is free to use, and it makes the whole use of RFID tags all that much more compelling, because there is no need for a specialized RFID reader, because your phone has the built-in reader, and it is going to automatically open to the DPP that gets the whole party going. We can embed security, passwords, encryption, and all other kinds of goodies. And as you can see, it also works with big iPhone cases, because it has an NFC Type 5 antenna, which has a really strong read range, thanks to our careful engineering. And we look forward to supporting your applications, and are welcoming your inquiries.